Punjab announced winter vacation 2025 official notification. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today video is very important for all students, parents and teachers in Punjab. The government of Punjab has officially announced the schedule for winter vacation 2025 for all schools and colleges. Punjab Education Minister Rana Sikandar Hayat has confirmed the winter vacation date through his verified social media accounts. This announcement has finally ended the confusion that many people had regarding the holidays. Winter vacation dates. According to the official notification, winter vacation will start from 2nd December 2025. Classes will resume on 10th January 2026. These dates apply to all public and private schools and colleges across Punjab. पंजाब के वज़ीर तालीम राना सिकंदर हयात ने अपने तस्दीक शुदा सोशल मीडिया अकाउंट्स पर ये ऐलान किया, जिसके बाद छुट्टियों के हवाले से फैली हुई तमाम बेचैनी ख़त्म हो गई है। छुट्टियों की जो तारीख़ है बच्चों, वो 22 दिसंबर 2025 से लेकर 10 जनवरी 2026 तक है और ये तारीख़ें पंजाब के तमाम सरकारी और निजी स्कूलों और कॉलेजेस पर लागू होंगी। Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay warm and enjoy your winter vacation. Allah Hafiz.